Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the online PhD entrance test from one of the government college. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admission notification in one of the university. So here the highlights of this notification is that total from 44 subjects here the PhD vacancy seats are announced. And if you are having the only post graduation also, then you may apply for this one. No need of the UGC NET or any other qualifications. And if you are having the UGC NET assistant professor or else a JRF, then you are exempted from the written test. You can directly go for the interview. And once if you clear the PhD entrance test of this university, then it is a lifetime validity. So whenever the PhD admission notification announced from this university, then you can directly go for the next procedure. No need of write the entrance test once again. Fine. And one more highlight is that you can appear this online entrance test from simply sitting in your home. Okay, so it is a very good advantage. So utilize this opportunity, guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notification. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications or the videos, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. So from this one, Executive PhD Entrance Test, that is EPET 2021 announced. So date of the examination is on 24th October 2021 and the fee collection and the online application form fill up is from 17th September to 30th September 2021. So that means the 30th September is the last date for the application of this one. And here the brochure and the prospectus, all these things you can get from this one. Anyhow, we will see the complete details. And you may check down here the important point is that the candidates can appear in the online Executive PhD Entrance Test 2021 from their own place or home. Okay, so it is a wonderful flexibility. And coming to the stages, here the selections will be done on the two stages. One is the entrance test and second one is the interview or viva voice. Anyhow, as I already told that if you guys are cleared if you guys are the UGC NET qualified candidates, then you are exempted from the entrance test. You can directly go to the interview. And who are the candidates, non-UGC NET candidates planning to write the examination? Here the two stages will be there. 50% will be the research methodology and 50% is your subject specific. And first we will check out the subjects and then we'll go to the qualifications and other remaining details. So in the faculty of arts, economics, English, Gujarati, Hindi, history, library and information science, Marathi, philosophy, political science, Sanskrit, archaeology and ancient history. And coming to the faculty of commerce, commerce subject is there. And in the education and psychology are there. And in the family and community science, home science is there. And in the fine arts, museology and law, management. And the faculty of performing arts, music, tabla and performing arts is there. And coming to the faculty of sciences, life sciences and chemical sciences. And the technology, faculty of technology and engineering, okay, that is kept left here. And they're given as a chemical sciences. And they're coming to the faculty of science, earth science, geology and mathematical science. And the physical sciences, environmental sciences, social work, applied mechanics and structural engineering. Chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, mechanical, metallurgical, textile and textile, chemistry and engineering, journalism and communication as well as the pharmacy. Fine. So total here the 44 subjects. From 44 subjects the vacancies are announced. So here the PhD subject code is also given here and the subject name is given. And if you want to download the syllabus for your written test examination, then you may download here for your particular subject. And the medium of the question paper is also given here. So few question papers will be in other than the English. Okay, and most of the subjects are given in the English itself. So you please check down the language of the question paper also. Fine. So if you belongs to any one of the subjects mentioned here, then you may continue this video. And otherwise, you please mention your subject in the comment section. So if I got any PhD admission notification based upon your subject, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my video as a notification to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Right? And coming to the remaining details of this notification. So here the eligibility conditions are given here. So you please check out this. So master's degree in any discipline with at least 55% of aggregate marks or equivalent point grade average, or a postgraduate, executive postgraduate or PG program for working executives from IIMs or IITs or an equivalent educational qualification, and a professional qualification like CA, ICWA, okay, with at least 55% of marks. And yeah, few more points are given here, and age should not be more than 55 years at the time of admission to the executive PhD program. Fine. So these are the points given here. So please note down, guys. And coming to the exemption from clearing this entrance test, the candidates who qualified in national or state level competitive examination such as the UGC, CSIR, or NET, or SET, or GATE, or GPAT, or DBT, JRF, as well as the MPhil degree holders are also exempted from appearing in the entrance test. Fine. And here the brief points given here regarding the executive online PhD entrance test. So you please go through this one, guys. So anyhow, these are the complete details, and I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here the one important point that I want to tell is that validity. The validity of the executive PhD online entrance test examination is a lifelong. That means once if you cleared this examination, okay, if you failed in the interview, whenever the PhD admissions are announced from this university, you can directly go for the interview. That is, the flexibility is there. So have a look on this one, guys. And the fee is, entrance test fee is 2,000 rupees. Okay. So remaining, to get the accurate and more details, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you please check out, guys. Okay. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of notification. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys, or else you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.